What is logic?
Logic is the study of reasoning and argumentation. It involves the systematic analysis of the forms and patterns of reasoning, as well as the criteria for determining the validity or invalidity of a given argument. Logic is commonly used in mathematics, computer science, philosophy, and artificial intelligence.
Types logic.
There are many different types of logic, but some of the most well-known and widely studied include propositional logic, deals with propositions, statements that can be true or false, and logical connectives, such as and, or, not. First-order logic extends propositional logic by adding the ability to quantify over variables and use predicates to describe properties of objects. Second-order logic extends first-order logic by allowing quantification over predicates and relations. Modal logic deals with reasoning about the possible states of a system and the relationships between them. Predicate logic, also called first-order predicate logic, it extends propositional logic by allowing to express statements involving predicates and quantifiers. Intuitionistic logic, a variation of classical logic, it is used in constructive mathematics where proofs are interpreted as constructive evidence of the truth of a given statement. Fuzzy logic deals with reasoning about vague or uncertain information. It is used in artificial intelligence, control systems, and other areas where reasoning with imprecise information is required. These are just a few examples. There are many other types of logics like temporal logic, deontic logic, many-valued logic, and many more.
How to use logic?
Logic can be used in a variety of ways, depending on the context and the specific type of logic being used. Some general methods for using logic include identifying and analyzing arguments. This involves breaking down an argument into its individual components, premises and conclusions, and determining whether the reasoning is valid or invalid. Constructing valid arguments. Once you understand the basic principles of logic, you can use them to construct your own valid arguments. This involves choosing appropriate premises and logical connectives to support your conclusion. Formal proof. In mathematical context, logic can be used to construct formal proof, by applying logical inference rules on premises. Modeling reasoning. In AI and computer science, logic can be used to model and represent human reasoning processes, such as planning, decision-making, and problem-solving. Developing logical systems. In mathematical logic and theoretical computer science, logic can be used to develop formal systems that can be used to represent and reason about a wide range of concepts and theories. Natural language reasoning. In natural language processing, logic can be used to analyze and understand the structure and meaning of natural language text and speech. Logic is a powerful tool for understanding and clarifying complex ideas, for the mathematical and formal reasoning, for representing knowledge and for building AI systems that can reason.